We're diving into 5 machines you can buy to start your business. First up, we have the flower printing printer. Let's face it, creating unique and eye-catching flower arrangements is an art. But what if you could add a whole new level of wow factor? This amazing little machine lets you print designs directly onto flower petals. Imagine personalized messages, logos, or even intricate patterns. The possibilities are endless. This isn't a giant industrial printer. It's compact and affordable, perfect for florists, event planners, or even crafters who want to add a special touch. The price tag, just $576. However, keep in mind that there might be a minimum order quantity, so be sure to check with the supplier. Imagine offering wedding flowers with the couple's initials or corporate event flowers with the company logo. It's a whole new level of customization. The flower printing printer could set you apart in the floral industry, giving your business a unique selling point. Plus, it's easy to use and doesn't require a lot of space, making it a great addition to any small business. Next, we have the nail painting machine. Ever get frustrated by the time it takes to hand paint intricate nail designs? We feel you. This nifty gadget uses pre-programmed designs or lets you create your own for flawless, detailed nail art in a fraction of the time. Salons and nail technicians, this one's for you. Priced at $130.99, it's a mid-range investment that can seriously boost your efficiency and attract clients who crave unique nail designs. There might be a learning curve, so factor in some practice time. Plus, depending on your workload, you might need to consider hiring additional staff to handle the increased demand. Not only does this machine save time, but it also opens up endless design possibilities, making your salon the go-to place for creative nail art. It's a fantastic way to stand out in a competitive market. Third on our list is the sugarcane milling machine. Fresh sugarcane juice is a delicious and healthy treat, but sourcing it can be a challenge for small businesses. This machine takes care of everything, extracting fresh juice from sugarcane stalks right before your eyes. Imagine offering refreshing sugarcane juice at your juice bar, cafe, or even as a street vendor. This machine falls into the mid-range price category at $250. But remember, you'll need to consider the space it takes up, the electricity requirements, and how you'll handle the leftover sugarcane pulp. This machine can be a crowd puller, especially in warmer climates or during summer months. Plus, you can market the health benefits of fresh sugarcane juice, making it a popular choice for health-conscious consumers. Now, let's talk about something on a larger scale, the plastic drum manufacturing machine. Plastic drums are used for a variety of purposes, from storing chemicals to transporting goods. This machine is priced at a hefty $80,000, making it a significant investment. However, if you're in the manufacturing or logistics industry, this could be a profitable addition. With the growing demand for durable storage solutions, plastic drum manufacturing can be a lucrative business. Before diving in, consider the setup costs, space requirements, and the need for skilled operators. But with the right planning and market research, this machine can open up a new revenue stream for your business. Okay, last but not least, we have a machine for the big leagues, the battery production machine. With the global demand for efficient and sustainable batteries, this machine represents a serious investment opportunity. Now, we're talking about a whopping $400,000 price tag here. This isn't for the faint of heart. It's for established businesses ready to enter the battery production market. Keep in mind the extensive setup costs, regulatory requirements, and the need for a highly skilled workforce. However, the return on investment can be substantial, given the increasing demand for batteries in everything from electric vehicles to renewable energy storage. If you have the capital and are ready to take on a large-scale manufacturing challenge, this could be your ticket to a highly profitable venture. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content all about helping small businesses thrive.